Oh, hey, it's me, Shy. So, a lot of people have been asking me how I keep my thigh highs up. Ooh, thigh belt, surprise! Thunda Thighs does sell them. If you're not into the thigh belt situation, they do have a body adhesive, aka the sock glue, aka the hold up. Okay, let's get a little close up real quick. Yeah, 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 yeah. Anyways, I'm really enjoying my collection right now. Here are some fave colors. We've got Rusty Pumpkin, okay, delicious. What else we got here? We have mm, Emerald Green, okay, Abundance. Have you heard of her? We have Mustard Yellow, love, 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 love. And we also have Neon Yellow, okay? Who doesn't love neon? Are you dumb? Anyways, they are 28.50 each, and we love that about that, okay? Oh yes, and I'm also wearing maroon.